Welcome to the Nixon Mansion, sitting on and above the Truckee River in Reno, Nevada. Let's take a tour of this historic home built by Senator George Nixon in 1907. Purchased by the current owner in 2002, this iconic structure was completely refurbished and reconstructed over a 12-year period, bringing its systems and finishes into today's modern world while keeping the elegance of its old world charm. From the beautiful foyer, featuring one of 9 fireplaces, we go down the hall to the grand ballroom living room that features a crackle finish wall treatment with Bezier panels, oak floors with mahogany accents, and a side garden view. The adjoining City View bar features an 11-foot curved bar and opens to both the side lawn and lovely covered terrace overlooking the Truckee River and downtown Reno. Built for entertaining, imagine the easy flow from the hallway through this area to the outdoors. The ballroom living room also features original light fixtures and fireplace. From here, enter the salon, a cozy room to enjoy cocktails on a winter's night before dining. Moving across the foyer, visit the library with new and original glass-enclosed shelving, perfect for reading, playing a game of chess, or creating a pretty snazzy office. Then we enter the dining room with the original chandelier, spacious enough to accommodate up to 80 for a beautiful formal event. And how about the morning room with its special fountain to start your day? The exterior doors open to covered and uncovered patios. A butler's pantry adjoins the beautiful kitchen with a Le Cornu stove, double sub-zero fridge and freezers, and Gaggenau steamer. Beyond this is a pantry, laundry, and powder room. The east end of the mansion also has a guest powder room and an elevator accessing all 4 floors. From the foyer, no stilettos please on the beautiful mahogany staircase to the main bedroom level. The primary suite features 2 baths, one with a tub and adjoining dressing room, and the other with a shower and dressing room. Adjacent to the primary bedroom is a room with its own fireplace and amazing views of the area. This can be a private office or converted to a yoga, exercise, or meditation space. Down the hall we have a sitting or game area, powder room, and 3 spacious family or guest suites. 2 of the suites overlook the front garden, and the third has views of downtown Reno and the hills beyond. This floor has its own patio with views of Reno and the mountains to the west, offering the opportunity for sunning or casual entertaining. Above this level are 4 more smaller suites, a sitting room, and large laundry. Thank you for joining us on a brief tour of this beautiful offering in the wonderful historic district of downtown Reno, Nevada.